How to add stickers on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can add stickers on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're talking to somebody and then you want to basically add a sticker while chatting with them. Now not the emoji but the sticker. So for that, all you have to do is open the Telegram app first, then just go to any of the chats that you might want to send a sticker to. Just open it up, and then right over here you'll be able to see the little sticker icon. Right now, not the bottom one, because this bottom one is of your keyboard, but you can send it from your keyboard as well. Otherwise you have from the Telegram app default stickers that you can choose from. You can select them. You can see emoji, you can see gifs, and then you can see stickers. Now when you go to stickers, you can simply search for some of the trending premium stickers over here, but these are just premium, so I'm going to cross that out. You can also select for some other stickers, and then you can also, if you want, then simply search for a type of sticker that you want. You can select any type of sticker, just select them here like this, and then the sticker will be sent successfully. As you can see, you can repeat the process for any of the chat or people you might want to send a sticker to. This is simply how you can add stickers on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.